Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Wix booking system. Let's get started. First, go to wix.com, then click on Login right here. Just enter in this field your email, or you can also choose to log in using Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. This action will redirect you to the Wix dashboard. In here, select the site you want to add a booking system in. Then click on Design Site up here. This action will take you to the Wix website editor. On the left panel, click on Add Section. Then click Blank Section up here. Next, go back to the left panel again and click on Add Apps down here. Then in the search bar, type in Bookings. Then click on Wix Bookings right here. After that, click on Add to Site. Next, hover your mouse over this section, then click Manage Services. This will open a new tab where you can see the booking services. This is where you can edit your services, classes, and the courses you provide. You can click on Start from Scratch right here, where you will input in yourself the service you provide. In here, type in the name of your service, the tagline, the description, the price, etc. And then click on Save right here once you're done. On the left panel, you can see the booking calendar, and this is where you can add and view your appointments. And that is how you can use the Wix booking system. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.